AI is trash? ChatGPT, Gemini and friends don't do what you want? Then listen up. Today I'm revealing the secret. Drumroll please. Prompting! From AI beginner to prompting God, I'll guide you through 5 levels that will finally get you amazing results. So stay tuned and leave a comment at which level you were prompting before watching this video. Okay, level 1. This is where most people start. Short, vague queries, often just a few words. You throw the AI a bone and hope for the best. Let's say I want the AI to write an email announcing a team meeting. A level 1 prompt would be, write an email. The result is likely a generic, useless email without context, recipients, or purpose. See the problem? The AI doesn't know who this email is for, what the email is about, and when the meeting is going to be. That's a NOOB prompt. Simple, but ineffective. Level 2. Now we're getting a bit more precise. At least I give it a clear task and a topic. For the email, a level 2 prompt would be, write an email for a team meeting tomorrow. The result is better. The AI will likely draft an email announcing a meeting. But key details are still missing. Who should attend? At what time? What's the topic? Better, but still lots of room for improvement. I tell the AI what to do, but not how or for what. Now it gets interesting. Level 3. We start giving the AI more context, a role, and maybe even a desired format. The level 3 prompt for the email could look like this. Act like a project manager. Write an email to the marketing team. Announce a meeting for tomorrow at 10 a.m. The topic, planning the new social media campaign. Ask for confirmation of attendance. Keep the email short and professional. The result is a clear, context-rich email that hits all the important notes and uses the right tone. Pretty good, right? With role assignment and clear instructions, the AI gets a much better idea of what I want. This is where prompt engineering starts to get fun. Techniques like assigning roles, giving context, and defining the format are key here. If you like what you've seen so far, I'd love a like, a subscribe, and a comment. What level are you prompting at? Let's move on to level 4. At level 4, we use advanced techniques. I don't just give instructions. I might also provide a few examples, few shot prompting, or break down complex tasks into logical steps, chain of thought. For example, generate social media post ideas for our new product X. A level 4 prompt would be, you are a social media expert for tech startups. Generate 5 creative Instagram post ideas for our new product XYZ app, a productivity app for students. Focus, saving time, and getting better grades. Here's an example of a good post. Still cramming or already living? With the XYZ app, you'll save hours of study time. Hashtag study tips, hashtag productivity. The post should include a hook, the main benefits, and relevant hashtags. Format, bullet points for each idea. Context about the XYZ app, and then insert your short description of the app, features in there, and end of context. So the result, very specific, creative, and well-formatted post idea. Notice the difference? With examples, clear structure, and detailed instructions, I force the AI to deliver exactly what I need. Chain of thought would be useful if I said, think step by step. Then let's come to level 5. The final level, the Godlike Prompt. Here we combine everything. Clear roles, extremely specific context, examples, negative constraints, format specifications, maybe even iterative refinement. It's about giving the AI an entire mindset and all necessary guardrails. Example task. Create a complete content plan for a product launch. A level 5 prompt, just a snippet of it because it would just be too big, could be like this. Act as a chief marketing officer with 15 years of experience in B2C software launches. Create a detailed content plan for the launch of the XYZ app for the next 4 weeks. Target audience, German students aged 18 to 25. Channels, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and blogs. And the goal is to reach 10,000 app downloads with a 5% conversion rate. Tone of voice, motivational, helpful, lightly humorous, and avoid generic marketing phrases. So this could go on and on. The result of this prompt will be an extremely detailed strategic plan. This is the masterclass. Such prompts take time and thought, but the results are on another level. So that was our journey through the levels of prompting, from vague shouting at level 1 to detailed direction at level 5. You see, the more effort and thought you put into your prompts, the better and more useful the AI's responses will be. Do you have other cool prompting tricks? Let me know in the comments. And since you made it this far and to the end of the video, you have to check out this next video too.